Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love.
안녕하세요. Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you Korean makeup look requested by my friends, my mom, and her boss. So hi Miss Hong. This video tutorial is for you and I hope you enjoy it. And bago tayo magsimula, namimigay ako ng contact lens. Yan, ito yung galing Taiwan. So this is Largan Aqua Super Soft Contact Lens. Paano manalo? Simple lang. First, like this video on Facebook, share this video on Facebook, and then lastly, the third, I subscribe on my YouTube channel. So on my next video, din natin makikita kung sino yung winner sa contact lens. Okay? Just like, share, and subscribe. So let's go! First, I'm gonna use Baby Skin Maybelline or eraser. For my primer, for a poreless smooth skin, spread lang natin sa ating face, on your cheeks, on your forehead. I'm gonna use my favorite MAC Fix Plus. So spray lang pag may time para fresh. And for our foundation, I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Professional Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. For me kasi hindi siya masyadong matte. And this is my favorite concealer, the Acee concealer. Maganda yung coverage niya and natatakpan niya talaga yung blemishes ng skin. So I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend it. For my setting powder, I'm gonna use this Chanel Natural Finish Loose Powder. I'm gonna use this for the oily prone areas. And for my eyebrows, this is my favorite everyday eyebrow. Nabibili siya sa Face Shop. This is Designing Eyebrow Pencil, retractable pencil. Mayroon siyang kasamang spoolie sa kabilang side. I'm using 03 and brown. I'm not gonna emphasize na masyado yung sa pagkikilay kasi alam ko, marami naman na sa atin ang kilay is life. For my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this Coco Venus 55 Pan Eyeshadow Palette. This is from my mom. In-order daw niya online nung nasa Taiwan siya. And it has peachy colors, peachy pink and brown colors, and I think this is very good for Korean look kasi ang Korean look ay mostly peachy, pinky, and orange or peachy eyeshadow for the base and dark pink for the crease. I'm gonna use a clean brush to blend the edges, just to blend it, to make it smooth. For the inner corner of the eye, I'm gonna use light shimmer shadow for a teary-eyed look effect. And for the under eye shadow, I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow na ginamit ko sa base. So now, we're going to put eyeliner. In Korean makeup, dapat mas i-emphasize natin yung sa wing part. As we know, Koreans are singkit, di ba? Chinita. So we can make a more chinita effect look. For my contour, I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour Palette. And for my blush, this is my favorite Sweet Peach Glow from Too Faced. Ito na rin ang gagamitin ko for the bronzer and the highlight. In putting my blush on, medyo hahagipin ko rin yung sa may nose bridge to make a little bit drunk blush look effect. So dito ko na rin kukunin yung pang contour sa aking nose sa Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour Palette. And then in highlight, just highlight the cheekbone, the nose, the forehead, chin. Put black eyeshadow on the under eye. to make a more chinita look. So focus putting your eyelashes on the outer lid of your eye. For my lips, I'm gonna use a peachy shade again. Here's Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade of 210 or Versatile. I'm gonna use this Face Shop lip tint in the shade of Picnic Red just to color the inner lips so I can make a gradient effect and more Korean look. And that's how you make your Korean makeup look. Here's the final look.